Most AI chat systems optimize for engagement, while Blue is engineered to optimize for user safety. Blue follows a layered, service-oriented architecture. The front end uses HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The back end uses a Node.js API for orchestration. And the AI layer uses a large language model via API. The key principle is controlled generation. The model suggests responses, but the system decides what is allowed. Blue uses a multi-stage detection and safety pipeline, combining NLP techniques and psychology-inspired frameworks. Step 1. Signal detection. The system detects indicators of distress using keyword and phrase matching, sentiment analysis, linguistic pattern recognition. Step 2. Framework-informed heuristics. The system is informed by established screening models, such as PHQ-9, GAD-7, and Columbia Suicide Severity Rating Scale. These are not implemented as diagnostic tools, but instead are used to guide structure, signal weighing, and risk interpretation logic. Step 3. Contextual risk modeling. The system maintains a session-based state model that tracks emotional progression over time, repeated distress signals, escalation patterns, and protective factors. Signals are aggregated into a dynamic risk score. Step 4. Controlled response generation. The AI generates a response, but it is filtered through a rule-based constraint engine that enforces no harmful or suggestive content, no normalization of self-harm, and mandatory encouragement of external help in high-risk scenarios. If a response violates those constraints, it is blocked or is generated. Step 5. Escalation protocol. When risk exceeds a threshold, Blue switches to high safety conversational mode, provides localized crisis resources, and strongly encourages contacting a trusted adult. This ensures human in the loop support. Blue combines probabilistic AI, deterministic logic, and psychology informed heuristics. This hybrid approach aligns with safety focused systems used by organizations like Crisis Text Line. Does Blue diagnose depression or anxiety? No. Blue performs signal detection, not diagnosis. While reference clinical tools, they prove validated patterns, improving detection reliability without performing any medical assessments. How do you reduce error? By combining multiple signals, not relying on a single keyword or model algorithm. Blue follows data minimization principles. No personal data required. Blue uses anonymized sessions and also optional or limited storage. The system is designed to protect users, not profile them. Blue shows that safe AI is not just about intelligence, it's about control, structure, and responsibility. By combining NLP detection, structured safety logic, and human escalation, Blue becomes not just a chatbot, but a safety critical system for young users. Thank you!